Have you ever wondered, what makes a person truly valuable? Is it money? Is it power? Or is it something deeper, something invisible? Because today we live in a world where people are measured by numbers, their salary, their followers, their likes. But the truth is, none of these define your real worth. Your true value is not in what you have, it's in who you are. So, let's go on a little journey today, a story that will remind you what it really means to be human. Once upon a time, in a busy European city, there lived a young man named Daniel. Daniel was born into a rich family. His father owned several companies and his house was filled with luxury. From the outside, Daniel had everything: expensive clothes, a new car, and all the freedom he wanted. But deep inside, he felt empty. He would often sit by his window at night, looking at the city lights and whisper to himself, "Why do I feel like something is missing?" One cold evening, while driving home, Daniel saw an old man sitting on the street corner. The man was wearing torn clothes and holding a small board that said, "I'm not asking for money, just some food." Daniel looked at him for a moment. People walked past, ignoring the old man. Daniel hesitated, then finally stopped his car, got out, and gave the man his jacket and a sandwich he had in his car. The old man smiled softly and said, "Thank you, son. You gave me more than food. You gave me respect." Daniel was silent. That single line hit him like a wave. "You gave me respect." He had never heard someone say that before. He realized that for the first time, someone was grateful not for his money, but for his humanity. The next day, Daniel couldn't stop thinking about that man. So he went back to that same corner, and the old man was still there. Daniel sat beside him and asked, "Why don't you go to a shelter?" The old man smiled again and said, "I used to have everything, a house, a car, a family. But when I lost my business, people stopped seeing me as a person. They only saw my failure. That's when I learned, the world values success, not humanity." Daniel looked down. He felt ashamed. All his life, he had been surrounded by people who valued him only for his family's wealth, not for his kindness, not for his heart. Days turned into weeks. Daniel started visiting the old man every evening. They talked about life, dreams, and people. The old man once said something Daniel never forgot. "Your value is not in what people see. It's in what you do when no one is watching." That night, Daniel couldn't sleep. He realized he had been living for attention, not for purpose. He had been chasing things, not meaning. One day, while Daniel was at a cafe, he saw a woman drop her wallet. Everyone around saw it, but no one said a word. Daniel quickly picked it up and ran after her. The woman smiled and said, "Oh, thank you." "I didn't even notice," Daniel said gently. "It's okay. I just did what anyone should do." The woman replied, "Not everyone does." That small sentence felt powerful. Daniel realized that true kindness doesn't need to be big. Even a small act can show the greatness of your heart. A year passed. Daniel's life changed completely. He started volunteering at a local shelter. He used his money not to buy more things, but to help others stand again. People started noticing his actions. His father, who once only talked about business, began helping him with charity work. And for the first time, Daniel felt something he had never felt before. Peace. Not the peace that comes from comfort, but the peace that comes from compassion. One evening, Daniel visited the old man again, but this time the old man looked weaker. He smiled and said, "I think it's my time to go, Daniel. But before I leave, promise me one thing." Daniel held his hand. "What is it?" The old man said softly, "Promise me that you will never forget. The value of a person is not measured by wealth, but by the warmth of their heart." Daniel nodded, his eyes filled with tears. A few weeks later, the old man passed away. Daniel arranged a small memorial for him. He invited a few people who used to pass by that street. To his surprise, many came. They all said the same thing. That old man once helped me. He gave me food. He gave me hope. Daniel realized something powerful that day. Even though the man had nothing, he left behind something more valuable than gold: kindness, respect, and love. And that day, Daniel finally understood. The true value of a human being is not in money, fame, or looks. It's in how they make others feel. It's in the love they share, the respect they give, and the kindness they spread, even when no one notices. Because in the end, people won't remember what car you drove or how big your house was. They will remember how you treated them. They will remember your heart. So, my friend, if you want to be truly valuable, don't focus on being important. Focus on being kind, because value is not in your status. Value is in your soul. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Because here we don't just talk about success. We talk about life, lessons, and the beauty of being human.